What if the engine that's quietly changing heavy-duty trucks isn't a diesel at all? For years, diesel engines dominated towing, hauling, and commercial work across America. If you needed serious pulling power, diesel was the automatic choice. Contractors trusted it, fleet managers depended on it, and truck enthusiasts believed nothing else could compete. But then Ford introduced something different. In 2020, Ford released a brand new engine, designed to replace the aging V10 used in heavy-duty trucks. On paper, it didn't seem revolutionary. It wasn't turbocharged. It wasn't hybrid. And it didn't rely on complicated technology. It was a big, naturally aspirated gasoline V8. And that's exactly why people underestimated it. The 7.3L Godzilla V8 was built with a philosophy that felt almost old school. Keep it simple, make it strong, and design it to work hard every single day. Instead of chasing extreme horsepower numbers, Ford focused on durability, torque where it matters, and real-world usability, thick engine components, a heavy-duty bottom end, a pushrod valve train designed for strength and longevity, and slowly something unexpected started happening. Truck owners began noticing that this engine wasn't just reliable. It was tough. It pulled heavy trailers without drama. It handled heat, long hours, and daily abuse without the kinds of problems that modern diesel systems sometimes face. And word began to spread. Fleet operators, RV haulers, and work truck owners started talking about lower maintenance costs, less downtime, and fewer expensive repairs. And in many cases, they realized something surprising. For their needs, diesel wasn't always necessary anymore. That realization is what made the Godzilla V8 so important. It didn't just offer power, it offered practicality, and practicality is what keeps trucks on the road and businesses running. Now here's where the story gets even more interesting, because this engine wasn't just built for work trucks. It quickly caught the attention of performance builders, off-road enthusiasts, and tuners who realized the same thing engineers did. This engine had massive potential, but before we get into how powerful the Godzilla can really become, there's one question we need to answer first. Why are so many truck owners saying this gas engine is actually easier, and sometimes better, to live with than diesel? That's exactly what we're breaking down next. So why are more truck owners, fleet operators, and RV haulers starting to choose the 7.3L Godzilla V8 over diesel? The answer comes down to something that matters more than most people realize: simplicity. Modern diesel engines are incredibly advanced. They produce massive torque and impressive fuel efficiency. But all that performance comes with a price: complexity. Today's diesel trucks rely on turbochargers, high-pressure fuel systems, exhaust after-treatment equipment, and emissions hardware designed to meet strict regulations. These systems work well, but they also introduce more components that require maintenance, servicing, and sometimes expensive repairs. And for trucks that work every day, downtime is expensive. That's where the Godzilla V8 takes a completely different approach. Instead of relying on turbo boost and complicated systems, the 7.3L uses large displacement and a naturally aspirated design to produce strong, consistent power. That means fewer parts under stress, fewer components that can fail, and a simpler overall engine layout. And that simplicity shows up in real ownership. Routine maintenance is straightforward. Oil changes, spark plugs, and regular service are familiar and affordable compared to the specialized servicing often required for diesel engines. There's no diesel exhaust fluid to refill, no particulate filter regenerations to monitor, and no high-pressure injection systems that can cost thousands to repair. For businesses running fleets, these differences add up quickly. Lower maintenance costs mean lower operating expenses. Less downtime means trucks stay on the road longer. And over years of use, those advantages can make a significant difference in total ownership costs. But simplicity alone wouldn't matter if the engine couldn't perform. And this is where the Godzilla really surprises people. Because despite being a gasoline engine, it delivers strong low-end torque, the kind of power drivers feel when pulling away. With a heavy trailer or climbing a steep grade, the power delivery is smooth, predictable, and immediate, without the lag that can sometimes come with turbocharged engines. For many real-world towing situations, that responsiveness makes driving easier and more comfortable, especially for operators who spend long hours behind the wheel. And that leads to a bigger realization. Most truck owners aren't towing maximum loads every single day. They need reliable, consistent performance across thousands of miles, not just peak torque numbers on a spec sheet. And that's exactly where the 7.3L Godzilla V8 shines. But there's another reason. This engine is getting so much attention, and it's something enthusiasts and builders are especially excited about. Because the Godzilla isn't just tough, it's incredibly capable when it comes to performance and upgrades. So what happens when an engine designed for durability turns out to have massive performance potential? That's exactly what builders and enthusiasts discovered with the Godzilla V8. Because of its simple and robust design, this engine quickly became a favorite in the performance world. Unlike many modern engines that rely heavily on complex electronics and tightly integrated systems, the Godzilla is straightforward, strong, and incredibly adaptable, and that makes it perfect for upgrades. Performance shops across the United States began experimenting with the platform, and the results surprised even experienced tuners. With basic bolt-on modifications and tuning, the engine can produce significantly more power than its factory ratings, while maintaining reliability, and when forced induction is added, the numbers climb dramatically. But what makes this engine special isn't just peak horsepower, it's the way it delivers power, strong, consistent torque across a wide range of RPM. That kind of power is useful not just on a track, but in real-world towing, hauling, and heavy-duty work. That's one of the reasons the Godzilla has also become popular for engine swaps. Builders are installing it into classic trucks, off-road rigs, and custom projects because it offers something rare: modern engineering with old-school toughness. It doesn't require the same level of complexity that comes with diesel conversions, and it fits well into a wide variety of vehicles. And Ford recognized this potential early. That's why crate versions of the 7.3L engine became available, giving builders a reliable and powerful foundation straight from the manufacturer. It's a move that helped fuel the engine's growing reputation not just as a workhorse, but as a platform with serious long-term value. But performance and versatility are only part of the story. Because when truck owners choose between gas and diesel, there's another factor that often matters more than anything else: money. Not just the purchase price, but the total cost of ownership over years of driving, towing, and maintenance. And this is where the Godzilla V8 creates one of its biggest advantages. Because while diesel engines often deliver better fuel efficiency, the higher purchase cost, maintenance expenses, and repair bills can significantly increase the overall cost of owning one. So the real question becomes, is better fuel economy always worth higher long-term costs? That's exactly what we're going to break down next, as we look at the real numbers behind fuel economy, ownership costs, and why many truck owners are realizing that the Godzilla V8 may actually be the smarter financial choice. So when everything is added up, purchase price, maintenance, repairs, and daily operation, which engine really makes more sense? This is where the conversation around the 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 becomes very interesting. It's true that diesel engines often achieve better fuel economy, especially under heavy loads. That advantage has always been one of diesel's strongest selling points. But fuel economy is only one piece of the ownership puzzle. Upfront cost is another. In many heavy-duty trucks, choosing a diesel engine can add thousands of dollars to the purchase price, and over time, maintenance and repair costs can increase that gap even further. Components like turbochargers, high-pressure fuel systems, and emissions equipment are advanced and effective, but they can also be expensive to service when the miles start to add up. Now compare that with a large, naturally aspirated gasoline engine built for durability and ease of service. The Godzilla V8 may use slightly more fuel in some situations, but its lower purchase price, simpler maintenance, and reduced repair risk often balance the equation, and in many cases, tip it in favor of gasoline. For fleet operators and business owners, that difference can mean saving thousands of dollars over the life of a truck. And even for individual owners, fewer unexpected repair bills can make ownership far less stressful. But the story of the Godzilla isn't just about cost. It's also about philosophy. At a time when the automotive world is moving toward smaller engines, turbocharging, and increasing complexity, Ford chose a different path. They built a large displacement V8 designed to be strong, reliable, and easy to live with. And that decision resonated with truck owners across the country. Commercial fleets value uptime and dependability. RV owners appreciate predictable power and straightforward maintenance. Enthusiasts love the sound, the feel, and the tuning potential of a big V8 that isn't overly complicated. In many ways, the 7.3L Godzilla represents something rare in modern vehicles: an engine built, not just for performance numbers, but for long-term ownership and real-world work. So does it completely replace diesel? Not for everyone. Drivers who tow extremely heavy loads every day may still benefit from diesel's massive torque and efficiency. But for a huge number of truck owners, the equation has changed. And that's why so many people are talking about the Godzilla V8, because it proves something important. Sometimes the smartest engineering isn't about adding more technology. Sometimes it's about building something strong, simple, and built to last. And that's exactly what Ford did with the 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, an engine that didn't just compete with diesel, it changed the conversation.